this is my aspirin. You know, I don't take no aspirin, yo. So listen, I had a little bit of a headache today. I don't know, maybe I didn't drink enough water. Anyways, after I rubbed a little bit of rosemary oil on my temples, it still was there a little bit. So this is what I do when it persists. I use sage. Now this is sage. We grow this here at the farm specifically for tea. All right, and there's a lot of great things about sage tea. Look it up. All right, it is a stimulant, so it's gonna help you with your memory, with your focus. It's anti-inflammatory, so it's gonna help you with that recovery, help you if you got a headache. All right, and that helps clear out your filters, your liver, your kidney, a lot of good things with sage. But I could just speak from my experience. All right, y'all look it up, but from my experience, when I use sage tea, it helps anytime I got a headache. Anytime I got a little bit of that lingering headache, that sage tea knocks it out. Grow Your Own Garden Club. Join us. If you missed the class, you get the recording. Y'all stay rooted. Keep growing. Hoodie's on the way.